Good morning, students. Warm welcome to these virtual coaching classes, and I'm thankful to Board of Studies for giving me this opportunity for conducting all the sessions of paper 1 only for you. Remember, friends, this is a 6th batch of virtual coaching classes, and it's my request to all of you to attend it very seriously. It will help you to score more than 60 marks. We are going to cover all syllabus from study material. We know we are late, but better don't worry. We will cover it properly. You have to see some recorded sessions. I'm telling it in the first session only that you have to watch previous sessions so that you used to some syllabus part, because we have remaining part. We have to cover this syllabus within 20 to 25 sessions. So it's request to all of you to watch previous recorded sessions plus current sessions, and we are going to cover in this batch revisions plus past examination questions. Okay, so first come to syllabus part. I will tell you exactly which sessions you have to watch for previous recorded one, and syllabus is divided in 3 parts. As you are aware, those who already watched the session, this is just quick recap for your recorded sessions: accounting standards, small topics, and big topics. How many accounting standards we have to cover? There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 10th property, plant and equipment, effects of changes in foreign exchange rate, government grant, investment, and borrowing cost. So total accounting standards are 8 plus small topics. 8 small topics are there and 3 big topics. Okay, so this is just a syllabus. As this is accounting first paper and it is scoring paper, so I request you to maintain 400 pages notebook for your study material plus practice questions. And in this batch, we are going to cover past examination questions. So I will upload past examination questions on our app. So better, it's request. If you want to contact me during the session, you have to visit our website and please download our application. Okay, so good morning to all of you. Yes, beta Sagar Jain, Nanesh Ingre, Anki Reddy, Rakiji, Dhruv, Jyoti. Good morning. These students are of foundation, so I remember your names, beta. So welcome. ऐप में प्रॉब्लम है, ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम हुआ रहेगा, आपको जल्दी से सॉल्व हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. चलिए, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस सेशन ऑफ बोनस शेयर्स. बिफोर दैट, बुक्स टू बी मेंटेन: accounting standard book and concept book, practical solution book, and practice notebook. So this meant 3 notebooks you have to maintain, and black pen is mandatory. Accounts paper is of 100 marks. Remember, black pen, you have to write your paper only by black pen. Red pen only in our class. Important adjustments you can mark with red pen. Use pencil, scale, all these eraser, calculator, simple calculator better. Don't use scientific calculator. So these are some guidance. Yes, better. Good morning, good morning, good morning, all of you. Chaliye. Types of accounts. Quickly revise your types of accounts. Better, types of accounts are divided in 2 parts. One is traditional approach and second one is modern approach. So first day, this is a quick recap of your foundation classes. So types of accounts, and those who are from direct entry, this is quick recap of your up to BCom. Okay, so types of accounts are very, very important. We have divided in 2 parts. Number 1 is traditional approach and second one is a modern approach. So traditional approach versus modern approach. Traditional approach is personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal account and real account are carried to balance sheet. See the word carried to balance sheet, and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. So personal account, normally rule is debit the debtor, credit the creditor. sorry, debit the receiver, credit the giver is given in books. But beta, I will tell you one extra rule, that is any transaction starts with due relationship. Now, what is due relationship? Due relationship मतलब उधारी. उधारी जब होती है तो डेटर और क्रेडिटर ये बहुत जरूरी है. Debtor, when debtor arises beta, when there is a sales or income. So whenever there is income or sales, debtors comes into the picture. Debtor means receivable. So when you sold goods, yes, in that case you will receive some amount, and that is called as debtor. And when payable, payable is when you purchase something or there is expenses, in that case creditors. Okay, so debit the debtor, credit the creditor. And beta, when debtor pays you, so he becomes giver. And when beta creditor, जिसको अमाउंट मिलेगा, when you pay creditor, he becomes receiver. So beta, debit the receiver, credit the giver is a second rule. But remember, debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. See once again. So beta, ड्यू रिलेशनशिप, उधारी जब होती है तब आप पर्सनल अकाउंट ओपन करते हो. पर्सनल अकाउंट जो होता है, दैट इज नॉट ओनली नेचुरल पर्सन बट इट इज आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन ऑल्सो. नाउ हु इज आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन? कंपनी, बैंक्स, cooperative societies are artificial persons. So due relationship and receiving giving relationship. Due relationship is debit the debtor, credit the creditor. And receiving giving relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. Remember this sentence, debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. You can take a screenshot of personal account if you want. Okay, so personal account screenshot ले लीजिए फटाफट. In your notebook, you can write it later. Personal account, real account, and nominal account. Ashwin, beta WRO से. Anish Oza ji, yes beta, good morning. Shreyoshi Chaudhary saying, sir, I passed foundation exam with flying colors only because of you. Beta, yes. Very good beta. Hello sir, maybe foundation wala who? Harshit Jaiswal. Yes beta, remember your name. बहुत सारे फाउंडेशन के मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है, मुझे पता है. चलो गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दीजिए फटाफट. चलिए, सो नाउ रियल अकाउंट, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. So beta, real account is related to things, and debit what comes in, credit what goes out is a real account. And I'm going to ask you some entries daily, 5 entries I'm going to ask you. So this is very important session, 5 minutes, 5 entries. Nominal account. So real account is normally related to plant and machinery, assets, land and building, then cash balance. Remember, bank is personal account and cash is a real account. And so all assets are related to real account. Normally assets are related to real account, and nominal account which transfer to P&L. So nominal accounts are related to debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So this is related to nominal account, and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. So real account, you can take a screenshot of a real account. So those who are from direct entry, Pranav, I have cleared my foundation class batches only because of you. Urja, I am direct entry student beta. Don't worry, Miss Urja. Just focus on your basics. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Take a screenshot. Chaliye. So I'm going to ask you 5 entries on daily basis. Okay, for your basics. Chaliye. So 5 entries, ready for 5 entries, every one of you. I will ask you, so while passing any journal entry, those who are very new in this class, while passing any journal entry, if you want to make your basics clear, first one, you have to identify accounts. Identify accounts. Please make sure that you will read all these rules of accounts and thoroughly you have to read it and by heart it. Okay. So rules of accounts are very important. Identify accounts, identify types of accounts, then apply rule, and last one, pass entry. This is the revision of your foundation. This is revision of your foundation. So identify accounts, identify type, apply rule, and pass entry. Chalo, fatafat boliye. Okay. So ready for these 5 questions? Yes, beta, you are reachable to me. Don't worry, Shumangi. आप लोग कमेंट्स करोगे तो मेरे पास ये मेरे यहाँ तक आपका कमेंट्स आ ही जाएंगे। ऐप पे आपको ऐप डाउनलोड करना है और ऐप पे आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर डाल दिया तो आप डायरेक्टली मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो थ्रू अवर ऐप। थैंक्स टू बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज यार, कितना फ्री में अच्छा अच्छा फैसिलिटीज आपको दे रहा है। यस, टेक बेनिफिट्स। यस, शिवश्री वेलकम बेटा। Oh my God, Anmol, good morning, sir. Your teaching is awesome. I got 91 marks in accounts in foundation. Very good, beta. Tabdar ji, yes, very good. Chaliye, sir, ready? Okay, everyone ready? Beta, 5 rules. फटाफट याद करते चलो। फर्स्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस। बेटा कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस, चलो जल्दी से बता दीजिए। कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस, द हाउ टू रिमेंबर। यस, दिस इज द डोंट आंसर मी। कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, डोंट वरी। कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस, एसएस इंट्रोड्यूस 1 लाख रुपीज, संकेत सर इंट्रोड्यूस 1 लाख रुपीज। सो दिस इज बैंक अकाउंट और कैश अकाउंट। ओके, सो आई इंट्रोड्यूस बेटा, assume I introduce cash and SS beta, he is owner of the business, so SS capital. Cash is a real account and SS is a personal account. So cash real and SS capital is a personal. So debit what comes in, apply rule, and here you can use the rule creditor or you can use the rule credit the giver. But according to me, business has to return this money. So more appropriate is creditor. But yes, beta, you can use the rule giver also. So account is an art. So everyone can use rules of accounts accordingly. But if you ask me personally, SS business ka creditor hai, because business has to return that money, and therefore entry will be cash account debit to SS capital. Okay, cash account debit to SS capital. Giver is also correct, but more correct is creditor according to me. Okay, so cash account debit to SS capital. So this is the first entry. Second entry for you. Chaliye. Now let's see who is answering very fast. Yes, beta. Second one. Capital introduced over. Second one. Tell me entry for salary during the year. 10,000 per month, but paid salary of 11 months. So now this is very important entry. Salary per month is rupees 10,000. Salary per month is rupees 10,000. Salary 10,000 per month, but paid salary of 11 months. So can you pass the entry? Yes, beta Ellen, don't worry. Yes. Salary is 10,000 per month, every one of you. But you paid salary of 11 months. How many months, beta? Salary of 11 months. I'm going to upload now in this batch. What is new? What is new? This is a combination of recorded sessions of previous batch plus extra practice questions. So this batch is really important for you because we left with very few months for May examination. So I request you all to follow my technique till last date. चलिए, who answered very fast? बेटा श्रेयोशी wrong बेटा, श्रेयोशी wrong. आई थिंक अब्दुल ने बराबर बताया है. ओके, सी बेटा, we are follower of accrual concept. We are follower of accrual concept. See what accrual concept talks about. In P&L account, when your accounts is perfect, I will tell you your two statements you are going to prepare. Two statements. What is your two targets, beta? To prepare P&L and to prepare balance sheet. Now P&L talks about accrual concept. So here to salary, when I record it to salary, remember we always record on incurred basis, not paid. Yes, remember incurred is important and paid is not important. Okay, so salary is always debited. So beta, here it is expenditure, here it is income. In balance sheet it is liability and it is your asset. Okay, so those who are from science background, please watch my फाउंडेशन लेक्चर्स फर्स्ट डे के सेशंस आप अटेंड कीजिए. यू विल गेट दी थरो आइडिया अबाउट अकाउंट्स. ओके, सो ऑन आवर बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज के ही application पे, if you see foundation recorded sessions, so you will get this idea about all basics of accounts. Okay, so you can refer this session. फाउंडेशन में आपको कहां पे जाना है, यस ये भी मैं बता देता हूं. Yes, I will show you. One minute, beta. You can see here ICI tube. You can type on YouTube ICI tube, ICI CA tube, and beta in videos, in playlist, you will get foundation sessions, batch 5. Okay, so in foundation sessions, okay, here you can see foundation syllabus, and in this you will get the in first session only you can watch all videos of basics. Okay, so all videos in foundation batch. So those students who are weak in beta in basics, so you can refer my foundation sessions. Chalo. So now this is a concept of accrual once again. So accrual concepts, 10,000 per month is the salary. So 10,000 into 12. So you can visualize now your expenditure. Expenditure is rupees 1,20,000. Okay. Your expenditure is 1,20,000. Your cash balance is going to reduce by 11 months salary, 11 months into 10,000. And liability side pay, you will write outstanding salary. Outstanding salary means salary which is payable, or you can write provision for salary, or you can write accrued salary. Okay, so still you have not paid 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 is your still liability. So what is the entry? Salary is my expenditure. So salary, second account, you paid cash, and now a 1 month salary is still outstanding. So salary, outstanding salary, or payable, or you can write payable, is your liability. So this is a nominal account, cash is a real account, and salary outstanding. So 1 month salary is still payable to your personal account, beta. He is your creditor. He is your liability to whom you are going to pay salary. That person is a liability. So salary, debit all expenses, credit cash goes out, and that person is your creditor. That person, you have to pay him. It's a payable. So entry will be salary account debit 1,10,000, sorry, 1,20,000, to cash 1,10,000, and to payable is 10,000. If you want to improve your accounts, you have to visualize it in profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. So today I'm not going to take now more questions regarding basic one. So I already told you where to watch these sessions. Yes, ICI CA Tube, batch 5, foundation course to improve your basics, foundation course, batch 5. You can watch all these rules of accounts. So it will help you to improve your basics. Friends, without basics, you cannot start your journey of intermediate. Okay, so I request you first today itself, watch all my previous sessions of foundation batch to improve your basics one. Yes, any difficulty till now? Any difficulty till now? Very good. Many students answered. Chaliye. So today we are going to start with our basic topic. That is first chapter, bonuses. Please don't miss a single session of live one. Okay. Those students who already attended some other classes, better still, I will request you all not to leave a single lecture. Comment on our application. Connect in the session, better. The connection is very important between you and me, and this is why I'm telling you all to attend it in the live one. Okay, recorded देखिए, पर your when you answer all of my questions, so better it will बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस, और वो जरूरी है यूट्यूब के माध्यम से आप लोगों का और मेरा कनेक्शन रहना, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू अटेंड एवरीवन टू लाइव सेशंस इन पुणे ब्रांच, बिकॉज आई एम अ फैकल्टी फ्रॉम लास्ट 12 years इन पुणे ब्रांच बेटा, एंड नाउ आईसीआई का 6 बैच का भी एक मुझे यहाँ तक का जर्नी में मुझे आईसीआई ने प्रमोट किया, मैं बोल सकता हूँ, या आप लोगों का प्यार है कि मैं फर्स्ट सेशन से लास्ट सेशन तक इंटर का ग्रुप 1 का आईसीआई मुझे देती है सेशन. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल, और आप लोग ऐसे ही मेरे थ्रू कनेक्ट रहना, और आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि आपको मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर करवा के दूं. ओके, चलिए. सो I hope accrual concept you understood. So today we are going to start with bonus shares. Okay. First chapter, so I will prefer to go slow, but from second chapter, it's my request, because we have to finish our syllabus within time. This is a combination of recorded one plus live one. Okay, recorded session plus live sessions. Yes. Why we are not starting with first chapter, that is accounting standards, beta? Because as a faculty, I will tell you first boost your confidence by simple chapters, and then you can connect from first chapter, because first chapter is beta accounting standard. So I designed your course according to simplicity, easiest chapter to difficult one, and that's why we are starting with bonus shares and not with first chapter. Sir, how I can connect you, contact you? Yes, beta, you can contact through app. Otherwise, we will keep one Telegram group afterwards. So today, I'm not going to create any Telegram group, but yes, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से आप कनेक्ट हो सकते हो, डोंट वरी. सर बीच बीच में हिंदी होगा ना? यस बेटा, हिंदी भी होगा. एंड some students are from south, so I will use maximum English and not Hindi, but those students from ERO, CRO, NRO and WRO, Hindi is comfortable, but beta we are going to give paper in English, so 90% I will use English, 10% I will use Hindi. Okay, so otherwise 80-20. Okay. Sir, please take advance accounts also. Beta, if ICI permit karega to lunga. So it is already decided schedules, so I can't interfere in that. So if ICI permits me to take advance accounts, I will take. Okay. Recorded live means what? Yes, beta, Aju Karun, I will tell you exactly. Chaliye. So your comments are visible. Till when we can finish our syllabus, we will try to finish it till March, maximum March beta, all subjects, because 8 subjects, those who are planning to give both groups, for them, you can refer video lectures for theory 1, law, audit, you can watch previous sessions of batch number 5. Chaliye. Okay. Chaliye. Shivani is saying, sir, I was praying that you teach us and I'm very happy now you started teaching. Yes, beta. ठीक है. Thank you. Chalo. Abhi I will start today's chapter, bonus shares. Before starting any chapter, I will tell you why this chapter. So first question to yourself, why this chapter? Once I will start in English, फिर मैं वापस हिंदी में आ जाऊंगा, एक बार क्विक रिवीजन हिंदी में ले लूंगा, तो दोनों लैंग्वेज में आप कंफर्टेबल रहोगे. So first we'll start in English. Why this chapter? Okay. My voice is clear, na beta? My voice is clear? Yes, one student is saying that your voice is not clear. Voice clear है ना? ठीक है, voice clear है शायद से. Okay. चलिए. So friends, why this chapter? Bonus shares means your equity share capital. Now see, in case of company accounts, now this is you have to think from the angle of company. So person definition, person. Now person is divided in sole proprietor, that is individual sole proprietor or partnership firm, and third one is company accounts. So there are cooperative societies, body of individuals. So in person's definition in income tax, yes, you file your return under different names. Okay, association of person, AOP, BOI, municipal corporation. But from accounting point of view, in your syllabus, we have divided person in 3 parts: sole proprietor, partnership firm, and company account. So beta, sole proprietor's account you already covered in at foundation level. Partnership firm, yes, you are going to cover it in advanced account, and in company accounts there are some topics which are related to company accounts. In our syllabus, there are some topics which are purely related to company accounts, and there are some topics which are not related to company account but general topics. It is not only for company, but it is applicable to all. Suppose if company is investing in some shares or debentures, in that case, better this is not allowed. But suppose sole proprietor or partnership firm, if they invest somewhere, so how they are going to keep record, that are some different topics. But first we will focus on company accounts related topics. Now, in case of company, your capital, now capital is called as equity share capital. So capital is either equity share capital, this is a quick revision, otherwise it's a preference share capital. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? Here preference dividend, so you are paying dividend, is fixed rate. So beta here rate is fixed, and in case of equity share, rate is not fixed. Okay, so rate is not fixed in case of equity share capital. So equity share capital is nothing but it's an owner's contribution. Okay, it is called as owner's contribution. You are already aware about all these things. This is a just quick revision of your 11 12 standard or your foundation. So what is equity share capital? So in case of company, it is called as equity share capital. In case of partnership, it is called as partners capital. In case of sole proprietor, we call it as only capital. So this is a basic difference. But beta, in case of owner's contribution, now see one by one chapter. Now bonus shares. In case of bonus shares, now company is in profit. Okay, so now why company is giving bonus shares? Now company earned huge profit. Okay, so company earned ड्यू टू ओनर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन, कंपनी की तरक्की हो गई, कंपनी एकदम हाई लेवल पे है, कंपनी अर्नड अ ह्यूज प्रॉफिट इन सम सर्टेन ईयर्स, एंड नाउ कंपनी did not paid any dividend in past years, or they paid dividend but in very, it's not, if suppose they earned 100 rupees, they paid only 10 rupees as dividend. So now company has good surplus. So company decided to capitalize its profit. Okay, company has decided not to give, company has two options, give dividend or company can issue. Second option that company has, that is bonus shares. Company has surplus profit, so profit can be distributed in the form of dividend, or dividend means what? Distributed profit. And what is bonus shares concept? It is capitalization of profit. So write it in the comment section. What is bonus shares and what is the difference between dividend? So dividend is what? What type of profit beta? What type of profit? Tell me it in the comment section. चलो फटाफट मुझे बताइए. In option number 1. चलो fast. Now you have to write it in the comment section. चलो comment section में बताइए. Comment section में बताइए. So what is called as beta? Option number 1. It is called as, yes, फटाफट बताइए. It is called as distributed profit. Those students who want lectures in Hindi, they can contact Pune branch recorded sessions के लिए. You will get the link Google Drive पे आपको मिल जाएगा. So don't worry. तो बहुत सस्ते में रहता है. It's we are charging only, yes, our administration cost. Free नहीं रहेगा, but those who want it in Hindi and in detail one, means line by line, all illustrations, past examination questions, they can contact Pune branch of ICI. Website पे मिल जाएगा आपको. But lectures are in Hindi, so other students. Yes. So there are two concepts. Distribution of profit. What is called as distribution of profit? हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Distributed profit is called as dividend, and bonus shares is called as capitalization of profit. So capitalization of profit means what? It is called as bonus shares. Now what is the difference? See, here also P&L is going to reduce. Here also P&L is going to reduce. Here also P&L is going to reduce. So what is the difference? But in case of here, in case of dividend, your cash balance is going to reduce. Cash or bank balance is going to reduce. And here your equity share capital is going to increase. So in case of here, cash account, cash balance, if you don't want to pay cash, you want to retain cash, in that case you can go by bonus option. So bonus option or dividend option, what is the difference? So in dividend option, your cash balance will get reduced, and in case of bonus shares, your cash balance is not going to reduce, but your equity share capital is going to increase. And that's why this is the basic difference between dividend and bonus shares. So बेटा डिविडेंड में क्या होगा? डिविडेंड में आपका कैश बैलेंस नीचे आने वाला है, एंड बोनस शेयर्स में क्या होगा? पीएनएल तो नीचे आने वाला है। डिविडेंड, ये प्रॉफिट्स, जनरल रिजर्व आपका और पीएनएल का बैलेंस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट का बैलेंस तो आपका नीचे आएगा, पर उसके साथ साथ इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल का बैलेंस भी आपका ऊपर जाने वाला है। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? यू अंडरस्टूड इट? ओके, सो रिमेंबर, एक बार हिंदी में क्विक रिवीजन इन हिंदी देखो, एक बार समझ लीजिए। कोई भी कंपनी अपनी तरक्की करती है प्रॉफिट के द्वारा। सो कोई भी कंपनी की तरक्की मतलब क्या कि वो कंपनी ने अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट कमाया, ओनर्स ने दिया जो कंट्रीब्यूशन, उसको हम लोग कैपिटल बुलाते हैं। ओनर मतलब जो भी शेयर होल्डर्स होते हैं उसको ओनर्स बोला जाता है। शेयर होल्डर ने जो भी पैसा कंपनी में भरा होगा उसको हम लोग कैपिटल बोलते हैं। रिवीजन हिंदी में फास्ट रहेगा, इतना याद रखो। सो कैपिटल जो होगा वो आपका ओनर्स का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है, और वो कैपिटल जो है वो आपके एक बार इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद आपको जो मिलेगा उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रॉफिट। हर साल कंपनी जो कमाती है वो है प्रॉफिट। अभी प्रॉफिट ये किसको दिया जाएगा? तो शेयर होल्डर्स को ही, ओनर्स को ही दिया जाएगा। अभी शेयर होल्डर्स जो है उनको दो फॉर्म में ये दिया जाएगा। आइदर उनको बोला जाएगा कि आप है ना हमारे से कैश ले लेना, आप हमारे से कैश ले लेना, तो डिविडेंड उसमें हो जाता है। बट यदि अभी ये डिविडेंड का भी चैप्टर आपको है सिलेबस में कि डिविडेंड के रूल्स क्या है, और बेटा यदि आपको डिविडेंड जो नहीं देना है, आपको लगता है कि आप मैनेजमेंट में हो और आपको लगता है कि कंपनी का कैश बैलेंस रिड्यूस नहीं होना चाहिए, हमारे एक्सपांशन प्लान से हम लोगों को कंपनी बढ़ानी है, और वो एक्सपांशन प्लान लेने की वजह से आप शेयर होल्डर को समझाते हो कि भाई मैं डिविडेंड आपको नहीं दूंगा, पर डिविडेंड के बदले में मैं आपको बोनस शेयर्स देने वाला हूं, और बोनस शेयर से भी वो लोग बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल होंगे। वो बोलेंगे ठीक है भाई, मेरे पास पहले एक शेयर था, अभी एक शेयर हो गया, तो मेरे पास दो शेयर्स हो गए, तो बोनस दे दिया, तो कंपनी का पैसा कंपनी में भी टिका रहेगा। और यदि शेयर होल्डर को पैसा चाहिए तो वो मार्केट में जाके वो बोनस शेयर्स बेचेगा, और बोनस बेचने के बाद जो भी पैसा उसको मिलेगा तो उसको कैश के फॉर्म में हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे कंपनी का फायदा क्या होगा? कंपनी के एंगल से सोचिए, कंपनी की कैश घर में रहेगी, इतना याद रखो। सो इसके लिए बोनस शेयर्स दिया जाता है। सो चैप्टर का लॉजिक समझ में आया? बोनस शेयर्स क्या है? सो ये बोनस शेयर्स मतलब प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एंड प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैश बट कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ द प्रॉफिट, एंड व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ कैपिटलाइजेशन प्रॉफिट इज कॉल्ड एज बोनस शेयर्स। आई होप आपको यहां तक अच्छे से समझा होगा। चलो, सो दिस इज हाउ, so now you understood कि what, why bonus share. Now the question is, sir, it's so much simple topic कि here it's only very simple कि bonus share. So step by step, now you are thinking, I want to develop your thinking. I want to develop your thinking. Bonus shares. Now what bonus share talks about? Your P&L is getting reduced and your equity share capital is getting added. Okay, sir. So topic is very simple that equity share capital is going to add and P&L account is going to reduce. So why this chapter, sir? So better, but suppose other than your profit and loss account, other than profit and loss account, you are going to use some reserves and surplus balances, and which reserves and surplus you are going to use for bonus shares. So only P&L is only a reserve. Okay, I earn profit. I earn profit. Suppose company earned 1 lakh rupees profit. Company earned 1 lakh rupees profit. Now, company divides this 1 lakh in different reserves. It is called as appropriation of profit. What is called as appropriation? Now, what is appropriation, beta? Appropriation is nothing but it's a distribution of profit. It is called as appropriation of profit. Profits को divide करना, profit को अलग अलग reserves में divide करना, उसको बोलते हैं appropriation of profit. Divide your profit in different reserves is called as appropriation of profit. So company decided to use, so divide this profit in investment allowance reserve. Okay, so company decided to divide it in investment allowance reserve. Okay, so company has some planning about investment, so company decided कि we will keep a part of this profit in investment allowance reserve. Correct? Second one, then company decided to keep some reserve in building fund. Okay, building reserve. So company wants to construct one building, and that's why they created one fund. It is called as building reserve or falana reserve. So यहाँ पे specific reserve. Okay, some any other purpose reserve is called as specific reserve. Remaining is general reserve, and still remaining is profit and loss account. General reserve is there, profit and loss account is there. These are called as free reserves. These are called as free reserves, and these are called as, so certain purpose reserves are called as specific reserves. So company earned profit. How they earn profit? Beta, income minus expenses. Income minus expenses, they earn some profit. Okay, सर समझ में आया? So income minus expense किया, profit आया, और ये profit को हमने अलग अलग profits में divide किया. Investment allowance reserve, building reserve, falana reserve, walana reserve, general reserve, P&L account. Oh yes, okay. So we divided in different reserves. But now, while giving bonus shares, whether these reserves can be used? No. Which reserves can be used? And that's why this chapter is there for bonus shares. Bonus shares talks about your capitalization of profit and which reserves and surplus. Now, why this chapter? Reserves and surplus कौन सा use होगा, इसके लिए आया bonus shares chapter. Which reserves and surplus you are going to use for issuing bonus share? Equity share capital is going to increase, so it has a credit balance. But reserves and surplus are debited, and which reserves and surplus are debited, that we are going to see it in the bonus shares chapter. You are clear with the logic now? You are clear with the logic? Okay, चलिए comment section में बता दीजिए मुझे what you understood. Whatever you understood, बेटा please tell me it in the comment section. चलो fast बताइए. Waiting for your answer. Appropriation of profit. But a revaluation reserve is not created out of profit. Revaluation reserves is created by increasing your asset. It is not a part of profit. It is directly equity item. Okay, it is directly equity item. If it is created out of profits, these are different reserves. And if it is direct reserves, means directly created, these are also reserves. Revaluation reserve is not created by dividing your profit, but by increasing or decreasing your assets and liabilities. The valuation reserve is created. Okay, so this is not created out of profit. So there are some reserves which are not created by profit and loss account, but they are सेल्फ जनरेटेड रिजर्व्स. ओके, सो वो रिजर्व्स खुद से आए हुए हैं, वो रिजर्व्स है रिवैल्यूएशन रिजर्व. क्यों आया रिवैल्यूएशन रिजर्व? एसेट और लायबिलिटी को कम ज्यादा करके. ओके, bonus shares can be issued from free reserves and not from specific reserves. No, beta. There are some reserves which are specific one. You can use it for bonus shares. Okay, bonus shares के लिए उसको भी use किया जाता है. Don't worry. There are some reserves. Yes, Pulkit ji, what you want, beta? Sir, what benefits do shareholder get if prices of share also gets reduced? But better, they have two shares maximization, not profit maximization. Okay. In financial management, you will get the difference between wealth maximization and profit maximization. Sir, we won't use specific reserves even which is created for profit. Yes, beta, there are some specific reserves. We are going to use it. Don't worry. Piyush Kumar is asking, company may capitalize its profit and or reserves which are available for distribution as dividend by issuing fully paid bonus shares. Yes, very good, beta. So my answers are reaching to you. Yes, beta. Chaliye. So now, when company issues, why do company issues bonus shares? Beta, I already told you. कंपनी इशू क्यों करता है बोनस शेयर्स? रीजंस आर वेरी सिंपल. कंपनी वांट्स टू गिव सम इन रिटर्न, okay, to their shareholders. So in return, they might give you dividend or they might give you bonus shares. If company wants to retain their cash balances, they will issue bonus shares. As a management, you can think, na beta, something. Suppose you, if you invested something in Reliance company, I taken those 10 to 15 shares. So my expectations that are that I should get some, bonus shares, or I should get some in return in cash format, that my bank balance should get increased, and this is called as dividend. So every company has to pay that. Okay. तो ये क्या क्वेश्चन हुआ भाई? चलो, सपोज बेटा 2 शेयर 100 रुपए के हैं. आफ्टर बोनस 4 शेयर्स ये 80 रुपीज के हो सकते हैं. नाउ बोनस इज गेटिंग, शेयर प्राइस इज गेटिंग डिक्रीज आफ्टर बोनस शेयर बिकॉज सप्लाई इज गेटिंग increase, and if supply is more, price is less, but still you are in profit. Previously I had 2 shares of 100 each. Now I am having 4 shares of 80 each. So my wealth is 200. Now my wealth is 320. So Pulkit is very simple. Yes, beta, your questions are reaching to me, beta. Chinmay, Harsh, thank you, beta. चलिए, your wealth is increasing. Okay. So you got this concept of bonus shares. So bonus shares. Now question is, now next, let's move to next concept. Now, sir, which reserves and surplus we are going to use for bonus shares? Sir, which reserves and surplus we are going to use for bonus share? Now, this is a second step. This is a second step. This chapter talks about there are 2 types of share capital. There are 2 types of share capital, which, yes, share capital, if it is fully paid, and if shares are partly paid. If shares are fully paid, you can write now. Yes, if you want to write logics, you want some running notes, beta. Yes, running notes चाहिए आपको. Only logical points you want to write with me. You can tell me it in the comment section. Only logical points that you want to write, or you will write it later. चलो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए मुझे फास्ट कि आपको मैं लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स लिख के दूं. लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स लिख के दूं. ओके, चलो राइट डाउन देन. राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक बेटा. राइट डाउन. यस, कॉन्सेप्ट 1. Write down concept 1. First, write down name. So before starting today's session, yes, how to maintain your notebook, I will tell you. First, prepare index. First, prepare index. In index, how to prepare? Serial number, page number, remarks, and category. Remarks and category. Now, serial number 1, remarks is beta theory. Theory, category, don't write any theory beta. I am going to give you some logical points. Page number is your notebook page number. Assume it is 4th number, because first page is for your basic entries, basic 20 entries. Your foundation session, you have to watch for that. Foundation session, I already show you where you will get this foundation session. ओके चलिए चलो सो सीरियल नंबर, पेज नंबर, रिमार्क्स एंड कैटेगरी. Okay. Now, chapter name, bonus shares you already written in index. Bonus shares, accounting for bonus. Accounting for bonus issue and right issue. Write down concept 1. Write down concept 1. Dividend versus bonus. Underline profit divided in two parts. Distribution of profit, and second one, capitalization of profit. Dividend, distribution of profit versus capitalization of profit. Distribution of profit क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Dividend and bonus shares. Entry, dividend account debit, ultimately P&L account debit to bank balance is getting reduced. Reserves and surplus account debit. Now which reserves? For that you need this chapter. 2, equity share capital. Your capital is increasing and profits is getting reduced. Write down. So concept number 1, dividend versus bonus shares. Only important point we are going to write it in the notebook. Over बेटा, चलो बोलो over. Yes. Concept 2. Entry for bonus shares. Entry for bonus shares. Bonus shares are divided in two parts. In that, share capital, share capital if fully paid and if it is partly paid. I will focus only on important points. Beta, I won't give you whole theory in writing, only important points, which are important one that I will give you. Fully paid and partly paid. Now what is fully paid? Fully paid means now those who are from direct entry, company decides face value of its share. Face value is normally ₹1 or ₹10, ₹5, ₹100, and issue price is different. Issue price is maybe above face value, means offer price. What is issue price? Offer price to public. Offer price to public is called as issue price. Now, issue price might be more than your face value. तो बेटा फेस वैल्यू से ज्यादा हो सकता है. If issue price is rupees 25 as and face value is rupees 10, we are not concerned for face value. Now, if company takes these amounts in installment, 7 rupees now, 8 rupees in allotment, and first call 10 rupees. So company takes it in installments, and whole 25 is company already taken. This 25 rupees is called as fully paid, and only 15 rupees are called till now. Only 15 rupees are called till now. It is called as partly paid. It is called as partly paid. You got the difference between two, fully paid and partly paid. Fully paid means 25 rupees fully paid by the shareholder and taken by the company. And partly paid means company ने अभी तक से 15 रुपया कलेक्ट किया है, 10 rupees has not been collected. Fully paid. In that case, what is the entry? Which reserves and surplus you are going to use? So here entry is capital redemption reserve, CRR, capital redemption reserve. Now, what is capital redemption reserve? That you are going to understand in next chapter in redemption of preference shares. Today's target, I will give you today's target: capital redemption reserve account debit, then security premium account debit, general reserve account debit, P&L account debit. So this is a sequence: capital redemption reserve, security premium, general reserve, P&L account, to bonus to equity shareholder. Beta, this is a temporary account, and these four are part of reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus is getting decreased to bonus to equity shareholder. So what is the entry? CRR account debit, security premium account debit, general reserve account debit, P&L account debit, to bonus to equity shareholder. You got this concept? Okay. And this is the first entry, and second entry is bonus to equity shareholder. Now this account is going to cancel. You can cancel it. So these are how you are going to write. So this is bonus to equity shareholder, and what is going to increase, beta? To equity share capital is going to increase. To equity share capital is going to increase. Correct, che? Okay, easy, che? Easy, easy, easy. So when shares are fully paid, you are going to pass this entry. Yes, beta, Harsh Vyas, direct entry wale bhi hai. No, beta, partly paid means we have not called remaining amount. Partly paid means not shareholder has not paid, nahi. Company has not called that amount. Yes, good question. Partly paid means shareholder has not paid, nahi, beta. That is called as call scenarios. No, no, no. Company has not asked for last installment. Okay, that is partly paid. Shareholder, if company asks them, shareholders are paying in time. Okay, we are not talking about forfeiture वगैरह either. Here, company asked till today only rupees 15. It is called as partly paid, and company asked for 25 rupees, and shareholder had paid it. In that case, it is called as fully paid. Okay, so that is the difference. Yes, good question, beta. Abdul, ठीक છે? Yes, beta. Second entry, you can call it as no, beta, not transfer entry exactly. This is how you have to pass these entries in exam to get 4 marks. So you cannot pass directly the entry CRR, security premium, general reserve, P&L to equity share capital. You have to pass it in this way only. Okay, you have to pass it in this way. ठीक है? चलिए. Now, what about partly paid shares? What about partly paid shares? Now you can see here. See, beta, I'm going to focus only on theory, which is important one. In case of partly paid, you can write it in the break. Now I'm going to give you break of 10 minutes. No, beta, not directly CRR2. This is how you have to write this. Not directly the entry. So ICI wants 2 entries for this. तो आपको 2 entries pass करनी पड़ेगी. No option for you. And second one you can write. Number 1. So partly paid shares converting into fully paid shares. So see, now your partly paid share getting converted into fully paid, because now no need of bonus shares. So for till today, you paid only 15 rupees. Till today, you paid only 15 rupees. And I want to give you bonus shares. So beta, bonus is not possible because you have 1 share on which you paid only 15. And I want 25 rupees for that share. My paid up capital is only 15, but my issue price is 25. So I am giving you rupees 10 ka bonus. I am giving you rupees 10 as a bonus. Okay, got the concept? So my issue price is 25. But you paid till today. All of you, all shareholders had paid only 15. Why? Because company has not called the last call. Final call till today has not received, and company has not asked for that rupees 10. कंपनी ने मांगा ही नहीं है 10 रुपया अभी तक. अभी तक कंपनी ने सिर्फ 15 रुपया मांगा था और आप लोगों ने वो पूरा का पूरा दे दिया एज अ शेयर होल्डर. नाउ कंपनी वांट्स टू गिव यू बोनस शेयर्स. कंपनी को बोनस शेयर्स देना है, पर भाई कंपनी क्या बोलेगी? Bonus shares, company is asking for bonus shares, but that rupees 10, company is asking rupees 10. No, company is giving you in the form of bonus shares. Company is not asking 10 rupees, but company is saying, no, now you don't have to pay that 10 rupees because we are in excess surplus. We are in profit. So we will leave that 10 rupees. हम लोग वो 10 रुपया छोड़ देते हैं, पर आपको वो बोनस के माध्यम से देते हैं. So now what is the entry? See, here CRR and security premium is not used. You cannot use CRR and security premium to convert partly paid shares into fully paid. Partly paid shares को fully paid में convert करने के लिए you cannot use CRR and security premium. See, this is the difference between two. If shares are fully paid, you can use CRR and P&L for security premium for bonus shares. But partly paid, no. So general reserve account debit, P&L account debit to bonus to shareholders. And here, final call. You will ask for the final call. Final call is a temporary account. So now there are 2 temporary accounts. General reserve P&L account debit to bonus to equity shareholders, and final call account debit to share capital 10-10. And then bonus will get cancelled with bonus, and final call will get cancelled with credit balance. So adjustment of final call. So first entry, converting fully paid into partly paid into fully paid. Here you cannot use general reserve, CRR and सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. सो देखो यहाँ पे आप सीआरआर और सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम को यूज नहीं कर सकते. ओके. हाँ, 25 रुपए का शेयर था, 25 रुपए के शेयर को 25 रुपए का ही एक एक्स्ट्रा बोनस दिया. वन शेयर फुल्ली पेड and one share fully paid, and you are giving one share extra, 1:1. So beta, you can use CRR and security premium. Here you can use CRR and security premium. But beta, when you are converting partly paid shares into fully paid, CRR and security premium is not used. So this is a company law provision, and that's why we have to understand this chapter. How to pass journal entries. So understood the logic, how to pass journal entries. Here, what is the important point? General reserve and P&L account debit to bonus to equity shareholder, and then final call to share capital. अभी देखो, bonus will get cancelled, final call will get cancelled, and ultimately only two reserves are reducing and your capital is increasing. But you have to pass three entries for that. Cannot pass directly entry, general reserve, P&L to share capital. You have to in exam write three entries, then you will get good marks, full marks. Okay, chaliye. So in break you can write these entries. There are three entries you are going to write for conversion, and then we are going to solve illustration number 1 and illustration number 2. ठीक है, चलो तो जल्दी से हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे, मतलब डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड इन नोटबुक यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इट प्रॉपरली, सो दैट इज योर होमवर्क. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड सम क्वेश्चंस वी विल टेक इट इन दी writing format, beta past examination questions. So we will understand टिक टिकी जी टेक्निक. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम लोग क्लास में सॉल्व करवा के लेंगे. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट एट होम बाय यूजिंग टिक टिकी जी टेक्निक. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू यूज टिक टिकी जी टेक्निक आफ्टर ब्रेक. इन ब्रेक you have to write this three parts and then you can take a small break. Okay, तो आपका ब्रेक रहेगा 15 मिनट का, उसमें 5 मिनट लिखने के लिए और 10 मिनट आपका ब्रेक. तो टोटल 15 मिनट्स का ब्रेक मैं यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं, और 15 मिनट्स ब्रेक, बट यू हैव टू राइट इन 5 मिनट्स ऑल दिस थ्री एंट्रीज. चलो, सो टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 15 मिनट्स. ब्रेक ले लीजिए. जय जी. ब्रेक ले लीजिए. So guys, we have completed two parts. One is fully paid and second one is partly paid. I hope you are now clear with this concept of fully paid and partly paid. In partly paid, you have to write three entries. That three entries are, you cannot use CRR and security premium if shares are partly paid, and you have to convert your partly paid share into fully paid. See here your bonus shares. Remember what is the difference between this? Previously you had one share and plus you will get one share. So here too you will have two shares. Okay. But in case of partly paid up shares, you are only one share previously you had. And now also you have one share, but only 15 rupees ka payment, it gets converted into 25. So there is a final call of rupees 10, which you will get in the form of bonus shares. So remember, in case of fully paid shares, previously shares, one, now two. But here in partly paid, previous one, now also one, but only the difference, previous one is only 15 rupees paid and now one is 25 rupees paid. So there is a confusion between two concepts, partly paid and fully paid. So बहुत सिंपल है, पहले भी एक शेयर था. In case of fully paid shares, पहले एक शेयर था, अभी दो शेयर है, एक को एक बोनस मिला. सर पार्टली पेड में एक शेयर पहले था और अभी भी एक ही शेयर है, बट ओनली डिफरेंस ये है कि पहले का एक शेयर 15 रुपए से पे किया था और अभी जो शेयर है उसके पीछे 25 रुपया मिल चुका है और 10 रुपया ये आपने बोनस के माध्यम से दिया हुआ है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, क्लियर है? माय कमेंट्स इज नॉट वर्किंग, प्लीज गाइड मी हाउ टू कमेंट. बेटा शुभम कुमार, यू हैव गिवन इट इन द राइट सेक्शन. आपने कमेंट बहुत प्रॉपरली किया है और आई होप अभी मैं आपको सामने कुछ क्वेश्चंस रखना चाहता हूं. यस, इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टडी मटेरियल के क्वेश्चन टुडे. यस, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम टारगेट्स. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टुडे सेशन, यस बेटा, टारगेट्स मैं आपको देता हूं फॉर 2 days. प्लीज बेटा, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस टारगेट्स बिकॉज in next session I'm going to start directly with concepts and past examination papers. So in this batch we are going to focus on past examination questions. I will upload past examination questions on our PDF files. So PDF files में आपको on our app you will get all past examination questions. So I will upload chapter by chapter. Today I'm going to upload first past examination question papers, past examination questions for bonus shares. Today's targets, yes beta, I will tell you today's targets. Bonus shares study material questions. Study material. Okay. So where you will get study material answers, I will show you on YouTube channel once again. Where to watch sessions in, okay, sorry, on YouTube. You can type here ICICA Tube. ICICA Tube, you can click on ICICA Tube. Then in playlist, you have to search for intermediate virtual batches, batch number 5. One minute, created playlist. Intermediate group 1 batch 5, play all. Here first session of 2 hours 25 minutes, accounting for bonus issue. Okay, so accounting for bonus issue. Then you have to finish redemption of preference shares. Okay, so session number 2, you have to finish redemption of preference shares. This unit you have to complete. You have 2 sessions for redemption of preference shares. So I will request you till Monday, because today is a Friday. So till Monday, you can finish up to 3 sessions. Up to 3 sessions. Number one, bonus shares. Number two, bonus share won't take time, beta. I have given some tips how to maintain notebook and all that you can watch from my previous session, because once again, I'm telling you, my target is not to complete only syllabus, but my target is to give you score more than 60 plus. And that's why, yes, your past examination questions are very, very important. So your target, how many sessions you have to finish? Up to recorded 3 sessions. So better, this is called as semi-recorded batch. So this is something which you have to take help of previous sessions plus current session. And in current session, it's like your revision. Okay. Maximum practice solving in this batch. So something new we are going to try in this batch. Okay. So bonus shares, targets, maintain 400 pages notebook. Okay. Third one, maintain 400 pages notebook. Write all answers properly in notebook. Is very important. Huh? Please write it. Don't do tick, 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 tick. One day, you take, yes, you go with only 2 subjects. Best schedule by ICI. I'm telling you, in CA course, this is a distance learning course. Normally, I see in Pune, students are working, means they are attending coaching classes from morning 7 to night to evening 6. Better when he will give time for self-study. Better self-study is important one. And ICI schedule, daily 2 subjects. Here, I know there are some loopholes in our session. That session means they are very short sessions as compared to private classes. But a private class वालों के साथ failure result is only reason is very simple. That student is giving time from morning 7 to evening 6. But when he will study, better his own hard work कहाँ है? इसमें hard work ही नहीं है. सिर्फ क्लास अटेंड करने के बाद आफ्टर 6 whether it's possible that he will do some self study, not possible. So do combination morning and evening, your 2 subjects daily basis pe, very important one, and do that 2 subjects. Don't worry, other subjects you will provide it properly. So ये आपका proper manage your time daily basis पे 4 hours for your 5 hours for your sessions in the morning and in the evening. If you are article student, then I will give you one suggestion: go with only one group. If you are average student, if you are brilliant, then go for both groups. But better, if you want to manage your articleship, it's difficult. So daily only one group. Better go with first group or either or second group. If you are good in theory, go with second group. If you are good in practical, go with first. Then use red pens while wherever you are going wrong. Write it by red pen. Okay. First, whenever you are solving any question. So it's very simple technique. You do that question by your own. Okay. आप आपसे खुद होके वो question कीजिए. For example, now this is illustration number 1. I will give you the technique. First, you read by yourself. Then you refer entries in the study material. If you found it difficult, then watch my session. It's a simple technique, get success. Then after completion of this chapter, all study material question, then go with your past examination paper. Past examination papers को complete कीजिए, and then after that, past examination papers, and after that, beta, give one small test series. अभी test series के लिए आप पुणे branch को भी contact कर सकते हो. But 2 to 3 chapters after every chapter, after 2 to 3 chapters, give one test series. So this is how you will get the success for every subject. Small request to all of you. First, read your study material thoroughly, understand the concept. solve each and every illustration. Not only solve it, but write it in your notebook. Solve past examination question papers. And lastly, your last part is test series. So this is how you're going to get success. चलिए, बहुत हो गया ज्ञान. Okay. Acha, हाँ. And same thing, if you don't want to visit YouTube, you can visit our application. In app also, you will get the recorded lectures. In app also, you will get the recorded lectures. Okay. Chaliye. So illustration number 1. Following items appear in the trial balance. Now, how to think? Sanket sir is talking about a listed company. Now, this is very important. Listed company has to pass, they can use CRR, security premium, general reserve, and then P&L. What is the sequence? First use CRR, then use security premium, then if balance, use general reserve, and then surplus. 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. How many shares are there, beta? 40,000. Beta, Ajju Kurianji. So please make clear of maintaining books. Please watch first recorded session of batch number 5. You will get idea about syllabus. I don't want to waste time because I got only 25 to 30 sessions to finish my syllabus. So please understand, watch first session of batch number 5. Here we will focus. In last session, we have not focused on past examination papers. In this batch, I want to try something new. Okay. तो आपके नोटबुक्स कितने हैं आपको समझ में आएगा. और यदि आपको हिंदी में सेशंस चाहिए तो पुणे ब्रांच को कांटेक्ट कीजिए. ये भी मैंने बता दिया आपको कि आपको डिटेल में 1 by 1 सेशन मिल जाएगा. चलिए, following items appear in the trial balance of Bharat Limited, a listed company as on 31st March 2001, 40,000 equity shares of 10 each, CRR, security premium, general reserve, and surplus. So what is the sequence? First क्या use करेंगे? First क्या use करेंगे? CRR. Second one क्या use करेंगे? Security premium. Third one general reserve, and fourth one is profit and loss account. The company decided to issue equity shares, bonus shares in the ratio of 1 share for every 4 shares. 1 share for every 4 shares. Now, this is how you have to write 1 for 4. 1:4. Now, how many shares you have? You have 40,000 shares. So below 4, you will write 40,000. So how many bonus shares you are going to issue? 10,000 shares. And what is the price, beta? Face value. See, capital is always shown at face value. Capital is always shown at face value. Okay. So 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares into rupees 10, you are going to record it at 1 lakh. So 1 lakh ka bonus shares you issued. कितने का बोनस इशू किया आपने? 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees bonus shares you are going to issue. First, what to use, sir? First, you have to use CRR. So first 1 lakh में से you will use CRR. So tell me, what is the balance in CRR? 55,000. Okay, sir, calci पे लीजिए. 1 lakh minus 55,000. So what is the balance? 45,000. 45,000 is a balance. Security premium, sir. Security premium 30,000 is a balance. Yes, sir. Security premium I use. So minus 30,000. And still I need 15,000. So general reserve है ना? General reserve कितना है? 15,000. So 15,000 is a general reserve. Yes, sir. Got this concept. So what is the entry, sir? CRR account debit, security premium account debit, general reserve account debit, to bonus to equity shareholder, and then second entry will be bonus to equity shareholder account debit to equity share capital. This is nothing better. This is 4-mark question. Very simple question, and you'll get the marks, sir. Over, sir. Yes. Bonus to equity shareholder to equity share capital 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Easy che? Okay. Presentation easy. Illustration 1 easy che ke? Tell me it in comment section, easy or not? Yes, beta, I'm going to upload past examination questions. Beta, redemption of first 3 sessions. Sir, that target is till Monday. Monday को मैं मिलेगा आपको वापस से. Yes, beta. Monday को till Monday, redemption of preference shares, you have to finish it. Redemption of preference shares, we got only 1 session. Huh? We got only 1 session for redemption of preference shares. Yes, easy. Illustration number 2, beta. Illustration number 2. Okay. Chalo, past exam. Yes, now tell me, are you going to watch these videos from illustration 1 to illustration 6, 7, beta, all illustrations? Tell me, so I will directly jump to past examination questions. Or should I start with this illustration once again? Or you can watch previous session. Or abhi main past examination questions, should I take it now? If you understood the concept, yes, I'm giving you option. Should I continue with this illustration or should I jump to past examination question? Tell me fast in comment section. We have only 1 day for bonus shares. Yes, we have only 1 day for bonus shares. So please tell me it in comment section. Should I continue with these illustrations only or should I show you all past examination questions? फटाफट बोलिए. Take past examination questions. ओके ठीक है. पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस में अभी तुरंत वेबसाइट पे अपलोड करने को बोल देता हूं, ऐप पे अपलोड करने को बोल देता हूं. Okay. Sorry. So in July 2021, this is 5 marks question. So July 2021, 5 marks question, beta. Please make sure 5 marks question means you have to write it within 1.5 minutes. Means 5 marks multiplied by 1 point, maximum 8 minutes. So 5 into 1.8. You have 9 minutes to finish this question. Okay. So exam में आपको 9 minutes ही मिलेगा. 9 minutes for the solving this question. So illustration part. Now, many students told me that, sir, we will solve all these illustration from the Yes, past examination. Okay. So directly past examination questions. And you will watch my sessions. Okay. Index I will provide beta. Don't worry, Jyotija. Scanner उघडून द्या. Answer the following. जुलाई 2021 का क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Question 7. Yes, we already uploaded all these questions. But if you want to see answers of this question, you will get it from scanner. तो बेटा स्कैनर से आपको पूरा मिल जाएगा ये. जुलाई 21 का क्वेश्चन है. ओके. जुलाई 21. Following is the extract of balance sheet of K Limited listed company on 31st of March 2020. You can get this PDF file. I already uploaded this PDF file on our application, so you can download it. आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो इस फाइल को अपने एप्लीकेशन के द्वारा PDF फाइल में. Following is the extract of balance sheet of K Limited listed company as on 31st March 2020. 3 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. See, authorized capital is only for presentation. Authorized capital is only for presentation. Okay, so whenever you are writing this format is only for presentation, authorized capital. Issued, subscribed and paid up capital. 2 lakhs equity shares of 10 each, 8 paid up. Okay, so this is partly paid question. You can write there partly paid. Reserves and surplus, general reserve, CRR, security premium, profit and loss. On 1st April, company has made the final call. Okay, so company is not giving them directly bonus shares. First company made the final call. So bank balance will get increased. So this is a separate question. But a bank balance is getting increased and the call money was received on 25th April. Thereafter, company decided to capitalize its reserves. So first, now there are 2 steps. Now, how many steps are there? Partly paid share getting converted into fully paid. And after getting fully paid, then bonus shares. So partly paid shares is getting converted into fully paid and then bonus shares. Okay, sir, we got this concept. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Partly paid share को पहले आपने fully paid मतलब पैसा मांगा. And after getting money, you converted into bonus shares. Okay. Then you have given bonus shares, 1 share for every 4 shares. So 1 share for every 4 shares means 1 share for 4. So 4 के नीचे you will write 2 lakhs. So there is a cross multiplication, 2 lakhs into 1 divided by 4. So you will get 50,000 bonus shares. Prepare the extract of balance sheet also. Now balance sheet extract is very, very important. While solving question and answers, balance sheet extract means what? Now balance sheet, you have to learn the pro forma. So what is the pro forma of balance sheet here? Here only 2 important points are there: equity, share capital, and reserves and surplus. And what is the balance sheet pro forma? Yes, you'll get the balance sheet pro forma in final accounts. So here you don't have to write full balance sheet, but beta balance sheet pro forma is very important. So remember balance sheet pro forma, I will take it in the next class, that balance sheet full presentation, but here I will focus only on that extract. Extract means what? Which is not getting tallied. Which is not getting tallied. Okay, it's called as extract. ठीक है, चलिए. So टिक टिकी जी, we are going to solve this illustration. How much time you take? टिक टिकी जी को बुला लेते हैं. Reset, start. Write down. Books of, in exam, how to present it? Books of K Limited, journal entries for 5 marks. Date, how to present date, particulars, small column LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Now date is beta 1st April 2020. 1st April 2020, you called for 2 rupees share. Okay, 2 rupees share you called for. Equity share final call account debit. To equity share capital. How many shares are there? 2 lakh shares into rupees 2. 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Being final call due. Being final call due. When you got this? On 25th April, money received. So what is the entry? Bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity share final call. In exam, you have to write full equity share final call being final call received. Please maintain this speed. This speed is in exam is very important. Okay, sir. Then you have to convert your share capital into bonus share. So, beta, now date is not known, but you can use now security premium CRR. So, beta, bonus shares is rupees 5 lakhs, 50,000 shares. So, first I will use CRR. CRR 1,20,000, 75,000. So, take on calci 5 lakhs ka bonus shares. 5 lakhs minus 1,20,000 minus 75,000. And from general reserve, I will use only 3,05,000. Total, I will use 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs first priority to CRR. I don't know the date. So question mark. Capital redemption reserve. In exam, you cannot use shortcut. Capital redemption reserve debit. Security premium debit. General reserve account debit. To bonus to equity shareholder. So CRR is 3,05,000. Sorry, no. CRR is 120, then 75. And last one, 3,05,000 to bonus to equity shareholders, 5 lakhs being bonus share provision made. How? 20 lakhs into 1/4. Next, bonus to equity shareholder, to equity share capital. Simple છે 5 lakhs 5 lakhs being bonus shares issued. Beta, this is exam speed. This is exam speed. 5 minutes over. Next, you will get 3 marks for this. And now extract of balance sheet. Extract of balance sheet. Serial number. Particulars. Note number. Rupees. Serial number 1. Equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. 1. Shareholders fund. Extract is very important. Understand the extract. A. Share capital. Note number 1. B. Reserves and surplus. So this is a pro forma. Now you can draw lines after that. Total you cannot take because this is not complete balance sheet. So don't take total. Notes to accounts. 1. You can write here 2 columns, particulars and rupees. 2 columns. You can draw it afterwards. 1. Share capital. Under that, in the particulars column, authorized share capital. Underline authorized share capital is given in the question. 3 lakhs equity shares. 3 lakhs equity shares. It is similar. 3 lakhs equity shares. Three lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. 30 lakhs. Double underline. But a PDF, I will send it. Don't worry. $30 lakhs. Then, after one line, issued, subscribed, and paid up capital. Yes, beta. Issued, subscribe, and paid up capital. Issued, subscribe, and paid up capital. Now here 2,50,000 equity shares of rupees 2,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Out of above 2 lakh shares, sorry, 50,000 shares are issued as bonus shares. You can write it in the same format. Are issued as bonus shares. 25 lakhs. Total 25 lakhs, and 2 reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Now you left with only general reserve because CRR is 0. How much general reserve you are using, beta? 3 lakh 60 minus 3 lakh 5,000. 360 minus 305. And second one is P&L account. So this is 55,000. And P&L account as it is 6 lakhs. 6 lakh 55,000. So 10 minutes 53 seconds. 25 lakhs. Don't take total. 25 lakhs and 6 lakh 55,000. Now one question is there, sir, security premium is not received in cash. See, in study material question, see, this 5 marks question is similar to study material question. I will show you. This is similar to your study material question. Question number 3. Security premium collected in cash. No. This is similar to your question. No, beta. Now, what is new in this? In this question, security premium not realized in cash is given in the question. In July 2021 paper, you can refer suggested answer. Security premium, though it is not received in cash, we will use to issue bonus shares. Very, very important. Bonus shares ke liye ye. But normally, now here, actually provision talks about, एक second, I will show you the provision. I will show you the provision. Where you will get the provision, beta? As per SEBI regulation, such security premium should be realized in cash, whereas under Companies Act, there is no such requirement. I will show the provision. In accordance with this section 52, security premium may arise on account of issue of shares other than by way of cash. Thus, for unlisted companies, security premium not realized in the cash may be issued for bonus issue, where the same cannot be used in the case of listed companies. Oh, sir. So now this sentence, deliberately I'm telling you, I have given you directly answer as security premium, which is not received in cash, and this carries 1 mark. So your answer, which I presented, is wrong. Sir, how it is wrong? Because, yes, sir, then आपने उधर क्यों नहीं बताया? Because I want every one of you to read this paragraph. In study material, we do not have such question. But see, in July 2021 question paper, we got one question based on this concept. As per SEBI regulation, security premium का कुछ बात नहीं है, but unlisted company may be issued such type of A. But here, now see, in this question, it is specifically given it is a listed company. So what is the correct answer, sir? What is the correct answer, sir? So you cannot issue. So I will show you the presentation. So here, what is the wrong beta that you have written? Security premium, ये 1 mark आपका चला गया. Security premium you cannot use. So this entry is wrong. So, sir, what is correct one? General reserve. Sir, general reserve 3,60,000. Let it be. Let it be wrong. That is only the reason. We have to understand wrong way. I want to show you exactly where are you going wrong. Listed company security premium received is not allowed. So 120 plus 360, 480, and then P&L account debit is 20,000. So your security premium now here. Now general reserve. Your final answer will be 600 minus 20. So this is 5,80,000. And security premium will be written as it is 75,000. Your answer is wrong. Your internal balances are wrong, beta. General reserve balance will be 0. You cannot use security premium which is not realized in cash. That one line, that paragraph will give you 5 marks. Even in scanner, this is wrong, beta. Even in scanner. So because ultimately scanner is not taken from ICS study material. So I will tell you security premium. Those students who have written security premium in journal entry, all are wrong. You got the difference? Yes, tell me. Can you use security premium for this case? No, because it is not realized in cash. It is not realized in cash. And it is a listed company. If it is unlisted company, you can use it. If it is unlisted company, now next time, if you are getting the question like unlisted company, you can use it. But if it is a listed company, you cannot use it. समझ में आया या नहीं? Yes, जल्दी से tell me it in the comment section. You are getting the difference? You are getting the difference? हाँ, सजेस्टेड आंसर देखने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सजेस्टेड आंसर में सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम नहीं देना चाहिए. सो दिस इज जुलाई 2021 listed companies question, and this question is not there in study material, but you got this question in July 2021. Listed company cannot use security premium or bonus shares if not realized in cash. 1 mark for this concept and 1 mark for balance sheet. So you lose your 2 marks out of 5. You score only 2 to 3 marks. And you blame ICI. Oh, sir, मैंने ICI का आंसर लिखा था, फिर भी मुझे मार्क्स नहीं मिला. अरे क्यों नहीं मिला भाई? ICI को ब्लेम करने के पहले खुद का तो सोचो. ब्लेम करने के पहले खुद से सोचो. सर एक बार हिंदी में. यस बेटा, एक बार हिंदी में. ठीक है, प्लीज हिंदी में. आई थॉट, देखो भाई, देखो एक सिंपल सी कॉन्सेप्ट बताई है. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम जो है, एक बार, क्योंकि विवेक जी और बहुत सारे बच्चे हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं कि एक बार हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए. ठीक है, देखो भाई, यहाँ पे कंपनी का नाम दिया है लिस्टेड कंपनी, के लिमिटेड लिस्टेड कंपनी दिया है. यहाँ पे आईसीआई ने क्या बोल दिया? आईसीआई ने नीचे दे दिया सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम नॉट रिसीव्ड. अब ये पैराग्राफ, ये आईसीआई के मैंने पैराग्राफ से उठाया हुआ है, यूर स्टडी मटेरियल का ही पैराग्राफ है. देखो ये क्या दिया है, सेबी रेगुलेशन. बेटा सेबी रेगुलेशन जो होते हैं ना, वो अलग होते हैं. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम शुड बी रियलाइज्ड इन कैश, वही यूज कर सकते हैं. वेयर अंडर कंपनीज एक्ट ऐसा कोई बोला नहीं है कि सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कैश में मिलना चाहिए या नहीं कैश में मिलना चाहिए. तो अदर देन कैश भी रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. अभी देखो सेबी जो है ना, वो लिस्टेड कंपनी के ऊपर ध्यान रखती है. सेबी किसके ऊपर ध्यान देती है? लिस्टेड कंपनी के ऊपर. अनलिस्टेड कंपनी के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देती इतना. तो अनलिस्टेड कंपनी, तो इसीलिए लाइन दिया गया कि भाई कंपनी एक्ट तो दोनों पे ऊपर ध्यान देती है. प्राइवेट कंपनी रहेगी, पब्लिक कंपनी रहेगी, लिस्टेड रहने दो, अनलिस्टेड रहने दो. तो ये कंपनी एक्ट का तो पूरा सबको समाती कंपनी है. सेबी क्या बोलती है? भाई प्राइवेट कंपनी को हम लोग ध्यान देंगे तो हम लोग, हमारा बेटा क्या रेगुलेशन, वो सेबी जो है वो कंपनी जो रहेंगी वो पब्लिक कंपनी के ऊपर ध्यान देती है. अभी पब्लिक कंपनी रहेगी तो सेबी का ध्यान है, वो बोल रहे हैं कि भाई सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कैश में मिलना चाहिए, ठीक है, और कंपनी एक्ट में साइलेंट है। तो कंपनी एक्ट क्या बोल रही है, फिर सेबी को फॉलो करो। सेबी क्या बता रही है, लिस्टेड कंपनी होगी तो सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम यूज करने का, कैश में मिला रहेगा या रहेगा तो भी। और अनलिस्टेड कंपनी होगी, फिर कंपनी एक्ट बोल रहा है फिर भाई अनलिस्टेड कंपनी का क्या, अनलिस्टेड कंपनी को संभालो, तो सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम भले रिसीव्ड होगा नॉट रिसीव्ड होगा तो भी आप बोनस देने के लिए इशू रेज कर सकते हो। तो ये एक मार्क के लिए, मतलब आपको यहाँ पे क्या बोला, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम यदि लिस्टेड कंपनी होगी, लिस्टेड कंपनी होगी तो कंपलसरी कैश में रिसीव्ड होना चाहिए, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कंपलसरी कैश में रिसीव्ड होना चाहिए। एंड अनलिस्टेड कंपनी होगी तो कैश में रहने दो या नॉट रहने दो, रिसीव्ड और नॉट रिसीव्ड इन कैश, तो फिर भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। तो सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कैश में मिलना जरूरी नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम आपको अदर देन कैश, मतलब आपने एग्जांपल, मैंने एसेट लिया, एसेट खरीदा किसी से, मैंने उसको शेयर्स दिए, एसेट खरीदा 1,20,000 and I issued equity shares 1 lakh. So security premium. So extra 20,000, I will record it in security premium. Now, whether I'm getting any, suppose I have bought one land and building, whether I'm getting security premium in cash or no, I'm not getting security premium in cash. So can I use this security premium for bonus shares? No, as per if your company is a listed company. If your company is a listed company. ये याद रखना. Okay, understood the concept? Easy है? Yes. यस, एक छोटे से पैराग्राफ पे पूरा क्वेश्चन खेल गई आईसीआई, पूरा क्वेश्चन खेल गई। नाउ इट्स क्लियर। सो फॉर लिस्टेड कंपनी you have to write it in, you have to receive it in cash. For unlisted company you can receive it in cash or yes. Now I think you are getting the concept. थैंक यू विवेक साई सिंह सर, थैंक यू, हिंदी में समझ में आया। ओके बेटा, इन स्टडी मटेरियल क्वेश्चंस आर रियली वेरी इजी एज कंपेयर टू, हाँ आई डोंट नो अभी तक इशू क्यों नहीं हुआ है। तो बेटा नवंबर 2012 आई सॉल्व क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम जुलाई 2021, Jan 2021, Jan 2021. Now see, 5 marks question and see only journal entries are asked. Only journal entry. Same question, same question. But now what is different? Capital reserve is also there. Capital reserve. What is the new thing in this? Capital reserve is there in this January 2021 question. I will give you time. Now bonus shares, final call made 2 rupees per share. Final call कितने का है? 2 rupees per share. Final call 2 rupees per share. So you will add 80,000 shares into rupees 2, 1,60,000. 1,60,000. And now 2 shares for every 5 shares. 2 shares for 5 shares. 80,000 I will write below 5. Cross multiplication 80,000 into 2 by 5. So 80,000 into 2 by 5, you are getting 32,000. How many bonus shares? 32,000 shares. Now, what is an adjustment? What about capital reserve? $45,000 Jan 2021 का पेपर है, including 45,000 being profit on sale of machinery. Now tell me it in the comment section. 3,20,000, how to use it? I'm giving you time to think on this. there is profit. So can you tell me the sequence? What is the sequence, beta? Yes, beta. I will upload the scanner. Don't worry. Security premium not collected as cash का मैंने meaning बता दिया अज्जू जी. I already clear your concept. Not received in cash because asset is taken and shares are issued. In that case, it is not received in cash. Please improve your level. And this time, what is new? Batch number 6 is very special batch in which I'm going to take past examination questions. So very, very important batch for me. Don't miss a single session. Special batch, past examination questions. पहले लेक्चर को देखो, रिडम्पशन कंप्लीट करो. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज रिडम्पशन. पूरा देख के आना और हम लोग पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन मैं कल तक अपलोड कर दूंगा. अदरवाइज यू कैन परचेस स्कैनर्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. स्कैनर को खरीद लो, सुचिता प्रकाशन और टैक्समन. And here, remember, scanner answers are wrong. So for answers, you can refer ICI suggested answers only. So can you tell me it in the comment section? But I want amounts. I want amounts. I want amounts. See, first preference is 75,000. Second preference is profit on sale of machinery. It is received in cash. You sold your machinery and therefore you got the cash. So out of 1,10,000, 45,000 is in cash and remaining is other than cash. So 55,000 I can't use. I will use 45,000 capital reserve in cash. So my sequence is 75,000, 45,000, then security premium 60,000, and then general reserve. How much I want? 3,20,000 minus 75,000 minus 45,000 minus 60,000. General reserve I can use 1,40,000. TRR, CR, security premium, and general reserve. To bonus to equity shareholder. Now same question is there. Check it whether same question is there. No. Same question is not there, I think. CRR, no. In TYK, check. Same question is there in TYK. No, beta. Same question is not there in your TYK, but in study material, in examination question, you got 5 marks ka question. Why, beta? Very simple. Capital reserve, profit on sale of machinery. Profit on sale of machinery means you sold this asset, so you received cash. Okay, so 45,000 you will use for capital reserve, security premium, general reserve to bonus to equity shareholder. So this is the sequence. Okay, today I will leave you early. It's 9:15. Today is the first day. I want you to watch my previous sessions. See, in exam, you are not getting repetitive questions. Questions are based on concepts, similar questions. But beta, concepts are very important. So don't skip a single line in option. Okay. And you can see repetitive question of study material are not there, but these questions which are tricky one are there. I'm giving you 1 day, 3 days. I will upload redemption questions also there. You only tell me, should I teach you illustrations which I already taught in the previous sessions, or should we focus directly on past examination questions? Because my suggestion, I never finished past examination questions in our this recorded sessions. So please, you only tell me whether you want concept clarity or you will watch concept clarity ke liye my previous sessions, and we will solve here only two options. I'm giving you two options. Only study material question plus concept, or watch recorded sessions, and here I will take revision plus past examination. Option number 1 or option number 2, you only tell me. Only study material question plus concepts in detail, or watch previous sessions plus here revision plus past examination question. This is in live. This is in live. Tell me. You only tell me. So on the first day itself, I'm giving you the option. Option number 2 or option number 1. Fast. I will go with the majority. All students are saying about option 1. Only Amol Pisse is saying option number 1. Sorry, all students are telling option number 2. Sir, option number 2 we will do. Okay. Thank you, students. First day था, जल्दी छोड़ रहा हूँ आज आपको. But day after tomorrow, on Monday, I will take up to 10 o'clock. I will take up to 10 o'clock. Redemption of preference shares questions, past examination. First, I will take revision of redemption of preference shares. Then past examination questions. We will solve that. And after that, a bonus shares question also, we are going to solve it in the next session. Thank you. So this is the first day. I hope you will enjoy all the sessions and you will attend it in the live one. Okay. Live में ही attend करेंगे past examination question plus revision. You have to answer all my questions. So 7 o'clock बुक कर लीजिए. आज से अभी आगे से कोई भी अकाउंट्स का सेशन मिस नहीं करना है, इवन इन द दिवाली. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. बंद कर दीजिए.